Hello, and welcome to the 5th day of 13 days of horrible crafts and even scarier stories. This series will consist of 13 days of crafty goodness and our dearly departed Edgar Allan Poe. A brand new tale of woe, and I don't just mean the crafts, will grace your screens every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in October at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please subscribe so you can enjoy all 13 days. But for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the tale of Dreamland. By route obscure and lonely, haunted by ill angels only, where the Eidolon named Night on a black throne reigns upright, I have reached these lands by newly, from an ultimate dim Thule, from a wild clime that lieth sublime, out of space, out of time. Bottomless vales and boundless floods, and chasms and caves and titan woods, with forms that no man can discover, for the tears that drip all over. Mountains toppling evermore, into seas without a shore, seas that restlessly aspire, surging unto skies of fire. Lakes that endlessly outspread, their lone waters lone and dead, their still waters still and chilly, with the snows of the lolling lily. By the lakes that thus outspread, their lone waters lone and dead, their sad waters sad and chilly, with the snows of the lolling lily. By the mountains near the river, murmuring lowly, murmuring ever. By the gray woods, by the swamp, where the toad and the newt encamp. By the dismal tarns and pools, where dwell the ghouls. By each spot the most unholy, in each nook most melancholy, there the traveler meets aghast, sheeted memories of the past, shrouded forms that start and sigh, as they pass the wanderer by, white-robed forms of friends long given, in agony to the earth and heaven. For the heart whose woes are legion, 'tis a peaceful, soothing region. For the spirit that walks in shadow, 'tis an El Dorado. But the traveler traveling through it may not, dare not openly view it. Never its mysteries are exposed to the weak human eye unclosed. So wills its king who hath forbid the uplifting of the fringed lid. And thus the sad soul that here passes beholds it but through darkened glasses. By a route obscure and lonely, haunted by ill angels only, where an Eidolon named Night on a black throne reigns upright, I have wandered home but newly from this ultimate dim Thule. I do sincerely hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see the rest of this series, please stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so much for watching, and you will hear me in the next one. Take care.